Monkey.
Yo, what's good, YouTube? First video with the good camera. First video with the good camera, bruh. I just got that. Wait. I think this shit in 4K, yeah. I think this shit in 4K, bruh. iPhone 11. iPhone 11 records in 4K, right? Yeah. Anyway, we back, bruh. We finna get lit. Hey, listen, bruh. Hey, listen. Stop moving, bruh. There you go. Yo, today, we're gonna bring another challenge. I think the last challenge I did was like, fuck. Oh, the red cup challenge. It was like a mountain of red cups. Every time you jump over it, it gets higher and higher and higher type shit. Bruh. I'm done talking, bro. I'm not gonna lie, bro. I'm finna eat the hottest shit in the world, bro. Look. Right here. The fuck? There you go. Right here. Let's call that Packy. One chip challenge. Carolina Reaper, Cyclone Heat. Both together on that shit. It says inside one extremely hot tortilla chip. Anyway, bro. So if you follow me on IG, which is in the link of the description, I opened this shit. I unboxed it on IG. And I fucking teared it, right? And I showed y'all like what it looked like or whatever. Dude, I guess I put my finger in my mouth and my lips are burning. But this ain't shit, bro. I got this shit. Watch this. Bro, I'm not even gonna make this video too long, bro. I'm just gonna get straight into it. So y'all already saw the package. It says warning, if you're sensitive to spicy foods, don't eat it. You versus the Reaper. Hey, fuck that nigga the Reaper, bro. Oh yeah, by the way, this shit smell like shit. Like dookie. Smell like dookie, bro. Yo, that quality though? I don't know, it shit look good, bro. Hey, look at this shit, bro. That shit came broken, bro. Nah, but we good. Look. That's only half. Alright, bro. So, I'm not gonna drink any milk. I'm gonna eat this, but I'm not drinking no milk. Before we get into this, bro, please subscribe if you're new. Support your boy. I'm bringing you entertainment. So, subscribing is free, bro. Support me. Hey, listen. And if you like this video, please like and share with your friends. We just hit 70 subscribers. We're about to hit 80. And yes, sir. Yes, sir. We're on the road to 1K, bro. On the road to 1K. I'm not playing. Stop playing with me, bro. Alright, bro. Listen. We're just gonna get straight into it. This ain't shit. That's like a 9 out of 10. Hot 9 out of 10. What the fuck? This ain't milk. Yo, pause, bruh. Hold up, bro. Hell. We're good. I'm crying. I'll be right back.
2 hours later.
Yo. Before the video, my heartbeat was in 65. Now it's in 110. It's cool. I'm a warrior. Pause. Don't drink water. If you're gonna do this, don't drink water. I wanna poop. What the fuck? My opinion, 10 out of 10. I love y'all. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. I gotta go, bruh. I gotta get some fresh air. Hey, This shit was fun though.